Day 184 of my body transformation. Matagal-tagal na din tayo sa journey natin. Napababa na natin ng weight natin. Tapos nag-gain pa tayo ng konting muscles. Na-achieve natin to because of two things. Consistency in working out and consistency in tracking our calories. Bawat workout natin at bawat kinakain, naka-track and naka-measure. Keeping track of things lets us know kung kailangan na natin magdagdag or magbawas. Kaya starting today, itatrack na din natin ang ibang aspects ng health natin. Syempre with the help of the Rincon Smart Ring Gen 2. You know, this smart ring will help us track our sleep, monitor our heart rate, and even count our steps. Water resistant din to, kaya siguradong matibay. Kahapon, sinuot na natin to. Naka 4K steps tayo and had 4.5 hours of sleep. Malayo sa ideal. Pero at least, alam na natin ngayon kung ano ang kailangan natin ma-improve. Sabi nga nila, you can't control what you can't measure. Kaya before natin ma-improve ang isang bagay, kailangan muna natin sukatin kung nasan na tayo para alam natin kung anong steps ang kailangan natin gawin para ma-achieve ang goal natin. Yan na muna ngayon, bukas ulit.